Hello everyone. This is a project session. So we are starting with a very simple project after you complete your course. Okay. So this project is basically based on your prior learning. Okay, in H2K Infosys, that is in Python course. So this particular project is start like this. So our training company H2K Infosys is opening doors for non-technology trainings where people can enroll themselves to teachers and as teachers, and they can teach non-technical skills like they can teach cooking, music, yoga, and many other things. So we need a web page for this particular teacher registration. So we decided to use Python Django to create such kind of page. So this form will look like this. The new teacher registration form should be the title, and you have these fields: first name, last name, subject to teach, teaching experience, email ID, and phone number. And later on, our team will take up, our team will call them, and then further things will be handled. Right. So after submission, the data should be stored in the database. We have some validations on every field, like validate non-numeric alphabets. It cannot be greater than 20 characters. Okay, no, not lesser than 2 characters, not null, not blank for first name. So you can see that these validations are mentioned here. This particular PPT will also be shared with you. Okay, so all the fields will have their validations, and all the fields are mandatory. Okay, there is no optional field here. Okay, so if they don't have experience, then if they don't have teaching experience, they will type none, but we are not allowing that. We are not allowing null. Okay. So implement validation framework for all the validations on the page. Once the data is received, save the details in below table. So table structure is below. So now you can use your SQLite on Django, or you can use MySQL installed on your machine. So both the ways are fine. If the data is successfully saved, the message should be displayed on the page saying details saved successfully. So overall timeline we are looking at is 1 week, and you have to submit your code in GitHub repository and share the link with me on an email, that is rishi.h2infosys@gmail.com. You can also allow those projects for edit to me with my GitHub handle Java Rishi. So let's complete this project and let me know if you face any difficulties. This is a shorter project. We have a bigger project to come on come next week. Okay, so once you complete this, we will start with our supply chain project in retail area. Thanks a lot, everyone. Have a great one.